Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your own Crunchyroll account on your mobile device. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Now from here all you have to do is go to crunchyroll.com, the main website right here, and it will show you this tab. Now the first thing it will tell you that it can start you with a 7-day free trial. But to do so you're going to have to go to the sign up page, which is going to lead you to this one. We're going to select whatever pack you would like. So for that, all you have to do is go back to the main homepage, go to the top right where it shows the profile, and then click on Create Account. Now from here, it's going to send you to the main official page for you to create your brand new account, where you have to enter your email address and your password. Just like that right here. Click on the email address, and then from here, you're going to paste whatever email that you have created. Once you do that, click on Create Account, and then from here, once it processes it, just like that, now you have your own account where you can go to the main page and then make sure to send a verification link to your email address. And then once you click on that, it will verify the account. And now you have your own Crunchyroll account, and you can start your 7-day free trial by clicking on the main page right here. And then it will ask you for payment information after you select the starting deal. And then you can fill it with either PayPal or credit card information. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.